An email from the CEO, urgent wire transfer. 3 hours later, $2.3 million gone. This is how BEC attacks work, and they're happening to real businesses every single day. Threats are evolving fast. Phishing volumes keep climbing. BEC attacks now mimic your executives with frightening accuracy, and AI-generated emails nearly impossible to tell apart from the real thing. Companies keep falling for it for two reasons. They rely too heavily on individual judgment, and security awareness is uneven across teams. One careless click from one employee, that's the only opening attackers need. Everyone's focused on blocking what comes in, but outbound email is just as dangerous. Sensitive files sent to the wrong recipient. Confidential data leaving your organization with no audit trail, no alerts, no record at all. This is the half of email security most companies completely overlook. With AnySecura's email control, you can set rules to block specific senders and recipients. The moment a rule is triggered, a custom warning pops up, alerting the employee instantly. Every outgoing email is logged in full detail. Sender, recipient, and timestamp, fully traceable whenever you need it. The final layer, transparent encryption. Even if a file does leave the organization, opening it outside an authorized environment turns it into unreadable garbage, completely useless to anyone else. Email security means controlling both directions. AnySecura gives your team full visibility over outbound email. Block the risks, audit every action, and encrypt what matters most. Learn more at the link below.